Kwa majina wananiita Zirire Kiraba Esperance. Nilifika hapa Uganda tarehe 12 mwezi ya 7. Tukifikia Nyakabande, mimi nashukuru sana. Juu nilifika Nyakabande walinipokea mzuri. Tukishamaliza wiki 2 wakeniuliza, wakeniswali mimi niliacha natoka Kongo, nikiwaambia nilikimbia usalama mdogo. Na hiyo usalama mdogo ndio inaacha leo nafika kwa nchi ya Uganda.
We've been doing field visits together with our partners, UNHCR, and we've been in position to see and hear also stories from our new arrivals together from the old arrivals. All these stories that we get from them is all about what they are going through, how they experience the good reception, especially when they arrive to the country, how they are being treated. And this is what we as a country have to make sure that, as we pledged to make sure that these people have very good environment when they come into the country, is what we have been doing mostly.
We started the school in 2010 and I have been witnessing all the changes. We started with 2 blocks, with very few students. By now, as you can see, we have almost 7 blocks.
The learners are being supported with the scholastic materials like books, pencils, and even teachers.
Scientific fund is one of the examples. And what we want
quite a number have been given. We talk of now 295,671. These are learners at the primary level from around 280 primary schools, both in the refugee camps and in the host communities. That's a significant number comparing to from where we made the commitment and to where we are. In terms of secondary education, we now talk of 20,336 learners.
At the national policy level, the government launched the health sector integrated refugee response plan that ensured that refugees are included into national policies, programs, strategies. So certain programs like HIV programs, malaria programs, and TB programs look at refugees and nationals at the same level, and there is equal access for those programs.
Aranyakira neza, arambyaza neza, haragenda nyereka aho igitanda cyari kiri ndaryama, ndyamana n'umwana wanjye yaramaze kumbwira ngo byaye n'umuhungu.
Okay, ni banyita Twagira Yesu Enoch. Ndi mpunzi yo kuruga Burundi. Maze imyaka 15 mu kampu ya Nakivale. Payina ikitiri kutuletera ngo tubyare payina no kureba payina ni kwataha nshozi tugabyara ekibira Kigali cya Greveria niho twatandikira kubyara emiti. Twabyara n'ikindi kibira Kashojwa cya Caritus na Greveria, deni nabwo twatekaho na Acacia kugira ngo tugume dufune enkuku bwingi.
We started by forming a task force, strongly led by government. The whole process has been government-led, but also very inclusive of various partners. So together we came up with a roadmap, and we identified a theme that we will advance at the Global Refugee Forum. And the theme that identifies Uganda is Uganda, the world's model for refugees. Let's make it sustainable. And this theme was thought through very carefully because we know that Uganda's refugee model is unmatched. We then identified 5 thematic areas as government and with partners that we thought were of great importance in terms of coming up with pledges and for partners to match the pledges.
I'm very hopeful that the outcome of the Global Refugee Forum would be very beneficial to Uganda, and also hope that the very good pledges that Uganda will be putting forth would be matched by prospective donors.
We are now trying to enhance all these areas that we have mentioned during this during the coming period, productive group. And if those refugees go back to their countries, when they go back to their country, they will be able to contribute more to their country's economy.
I would like to further affirm Uganda's commitment to the refugee response by announcing to you our 2023 Global Refugee Forum commitments for pledge matching. These pledges are also a demonstration of our shared commitment to the Global Compact on Refugees.